This detail is crazy, man. Shout out to Nibbi. Y'all know how I get. When they say it's ready, I'm on the way. That's crazy. So yeah, we got, we on Nibbi racing, man. So he put me on the Nibbi. And when I say Nibbi, everybody go crazy. So I'm like, we in the right.
It's an insane upgrade.
We in the right ballpark right now. And it wasn't too much. I'm, on my Hellcat, a cold air intake like $400 to $800. It just depends on what brand you're using. So I told my girl yesterday, I said, I think I'm done with the car shit. I'm gonna just do the bikes.
For a little bit.
I'm gonna keep my car, but this is more fun to me, you know what I'm saying? And then if I beat on it, I know I can afford to fix it.
My son's got a Hellcat.
Man, them shits is fucking expensive.
You'll be building your own in no time.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do.
You'll be building your own in no time.
I'm trying to, we gonna be building some shit, making some fucking money. Go get us some broken ones because I've been finding a lot of them on Facebook where, look, the one guy's like, the car, he's like, I think it just needs to be adjusted, right? And I'm listening to it. It starts up and everything. It's doing what this was doing when I first bring it to you. Mm-hmm. It's just cutting back off.
Yeah.
So I'm like, damn, I should start buying them like that.
Tell them nothing.
No, I'm not. But I'm like, I should start buying them like that.
Yeah.
And just get them fixed and just pop them off.
Yeah, we're gonna do that with the bicycles.
Hey, look, if y'all want to go into business, let me know. I can put some money up front to get some shit. If we got it.
That's what I was gonna do with them bicycle engine kits.
Yeah, let's do it, bro. Look, I'm here. Look.
You get you a little kit, you put it on a nice bike. Everybody you run into is gonna be like, "Hey, I want one.
Yeah.
I want one."
Yeah.
Charge you what it costs for 2 kits.
Yep.
Man, fucking just keep flipping.
Yep. That's what we need to look. Because I'm looking at this avenue right now, even with I did a TikTok video and it's got like 20-some thousand views on there right now of this bike. It's got like 800 likes.
Yeah.
And they're going crazy over the fucking engine. So the guy's like, you must have that Predator tuned. Because I guess because he heard it popping in the video.
Yeah.
So I'm like, it's a stage 2 tune on there.
Yeah.
He's like, bro, that thing's fucking sick. He's like, dude, that's like $700 right there.
Yeah.
And I'm like, damn, only certain people, but you can tell who knows what they're talking about. Mm-hmm. Then the little kids go crazy, like the ones that's fixing theirs and shit like that.
Always.
Oh my God, they go crazy, bro. So yeah, we getting a Nibbi together. I just want to see how crazy this shit feels. And I got tires coming. They should be here Saturday. Cause I told my girl, they said these probably got a ride left on them, if that.
Are they getting them somebody's on them rims? These throttle cables, just in case you got to do it, man. You just take the spring and compress it, and it pops out like that.
Oh.
Just pull it right up.
What's that?
Just spit out. Right there. Oh yeah, I can get that. All right. Take all that off. Boom.
It came with a fuel filter too.
Yeah.
You see it? Yeah. That's crazy. I was like, so we got backup for.
Yeah, because really your fuel filter on this one's a little small.
Yeah. So should we just swap it out too?
Now that we got a lot of air going into it, it's gonna take a lot of fuel, a little more fuel, so we need that.
That's neat. I like how they send you all the decals and the bag got Nibbi on it, the box. They're like, damn, I want more Nibbis. I'm gonna try to see if I can get sponsored by them.
That's how you know you got a good product.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, that's one of the perks.
I wonder if I could pull off a sponsorship. I got 2 bikes. My Hellcat sponsored by B Woody.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, they make the cold air intakes. Mm-hmm. So them and then Suma Detail sponsor me.
You take it to the strip. Springs on the thing.
So what we looking at right here? What we got in your hands right now, man?
You got the cold air intake to the Nibbi.
Look how cool that is, man. Look at the details.
And you can feel it. You can feel the difference in the metal, man.
See
when
this.
you hold it.
Ooh.
You're like, oh,
yeah, that one felt kind of.
Right there.
Wow. So what are you like?
Paper gasket always goes up against the manifold.
Paper gasket against the manifold.
Yeah, because you'll have your rubber gasket on the other side. So.
Okay. Hey man, so y'all know I ran here.
Yeah, it'll go up against the manifold or the engine, whatever. You know.
See, as soon as my stuff got here, man. Oh, I got so excited. I left the freaking belts on the car. I'm ready to see what this Nibbi's talking about, man. So, and I'm glad that you bring it to the bike because I was wondering. I really wanted to put it on there. So it was kind of funny. But the Nibbi for this bike, when I looked it up at first, it was for $60. And I went back to try to buy it, and it was like $107.
Yeah.
So I was like, all right, you know what? I'm going to wait till I catch it at $60 again, and I'm going to buy it. But, I mean, for the content I'm trying to do with the bikes, I'm gonna just grab it, bro. I think this avenue is a little more easier, and I've been seeing it's a big community for these types of bikes, like the mini bikes, the big bike. It's a big community, bro. Yeah, I'm watching people talking about their mini bikes do 70. I'm like, what the?
We went from Spencer and everything and back. God. It was like 400 mini bikes on the road together.
What?
Yeah, we were on the freeway. Wasn't nothing you could do to stop us. I mean, we're gonna.
And so what is this? What you adjusted with instead of a screw down?
That's your idle screw.
What?
Okay. Yeah, you have a grip on that bitch now.
That's pretty live.
Well, it makes it a lot easier when you're riding and say like you're getting low on fuel or something, man, and it wants to start fucking
puttering and shit,
idling up on you.
Yeah. See that pin drop, chat.
Get in there. All right, here we go. Man.
Shout out to Nibbi, man.
Yeah.
I like the name. We can get them to sponsor us a full bill, bro. That'd be sick.
Every carb you see that's like that shape, they're trying to do what Nibbi does, man.
Yeah.
They can't do it. They can't do it.
Start asking me in the comments how much did I pay. So this Nibbi kit, I paid $89 for this Nibbi kit. It came out to a discount with Prime, but it came with the fuel filter, the carburetor, the intake, 4 different jets, stickers. You really got the works. And then now what I can do, since the Nibbi goes here, I can take this from the Predator Ghost and put this on the RFZ, and that's gonna make a difference anyway too. So we kind of came out a win-win with the parts. And shout out to my boy, because he told me what to get, so I wasn't like a lost soul. You know what I'm saying? You want me to do it for you?
And when you start the engine, it automatically goes down.
What?
Yeah. See, when you start the engine, it'll automatically go down.
So if y'all don't know what this is a Nibbi. This is a Nibbi carb.
Yeah. On there.
Instant throttle. Oh yeah, that new belt. I forgot.
You gotta have a wider belt.
I forgot we got the new. Shout out to my boy.
This bitch don't pop with his own.
Man. Oh, now we don't got to worry about that weird choke situation too, huh? Because the carburetor's new.
Yeah, remember I told you this one, you pull it up?
Yeah.
And when you start it up, it'll go down by itself.
Yeah. So I remember the other one, we couldn't even go open past half.
Yeah.
But that's because that carburetor that filter was no good, right?
One of the jets might have been a little plugged up.
Can we swap a jet out of there?
But we got the carb cleaner now. I'm going to spray it out.
Oh, yeah, bet. You're right. My bad. That's why he make that look. That's why he make these motherfuckers run, you know?
All right.
The Nibbi is all intact. Air
bubble? Yeah. Air bubble in there?
Yeah.
We're going to want to get rid of that. What I'm going to do is open up the drain on the carb and let a little gas out.
So the Ghost out the box pushes what?
It should be somewhere around 15. A normal Predator 212 is like 7.5. Yeah.
Oh, I did see that. I saw that too.
But dude, that little knockoff engine that I got, that's on his go-kart right now, man, it's a 212 and it's only 7.5 horsepower. Oh, I see.
Man, I would put the tension on.
So make it.
Oh, motherfucker.
It's all right. Yeah, it's all right. We're gonna figure it out. One way.
Now, tension the belt on. Just about to that point where we're gonna fire this baby up and see how she sound, get her idle right, and put her on the street. And let her make us some money. Look at that. This Nibbi.
We'll go all the way out with the idler.
We're gonna get this Nibbi. First time pull on the Nibbi. Let's see. Ooh.
Up a little bit.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's getting fuel.
It sounds different.
One more time. Alright, cut it off.
You hear it sucking in? That's crazy.
I flooded it. Alright, here we go.
Wow. Wow. Ooh. That sounds beautiful. Why was it pushing out so much white smoke at first? Ooh. God. Ooh. It sounds different. For sure. Ooh. Ooh. Oh yeah. Ooh. God. And why does it sound like that? It's not rattling no more.
One more test lap. Test drive 5.
Oh my God. What was that? Why did I told you when it started up to sound different? What the hell?
I had to gas it a little bit.
Oh my God! Oh my gosh! Crazy. That's why that's my boy, man. Y'all need a mechanic, y'all get with me, man. Y'all need. Oh my gosh! Oh, it tried to slide. Oh my gosh, bro. 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 It just slid. Oh, bro, it's snatching off now. It's the belt. Is it the belt for the converter that's making it snatch?
The belt
And the Nibbi.
Carb.
Hold on, let me get